Now, let me show you how you can purchase more and additional storage on your Mac computer. So for this, we're going to go to the system settings, right? So we're going to open up the settings app like that. And in here, you get to see the information about your Mac. So first of all, we are in the general section. So we can click on a storage, and this is actually the local storage. However, if you want to purchase additional storage, you need to click on your profile and at the top, proceed to iCloud, and you can buy more iCloud storage. So currently I only have 5 gigabytes and I'm almost full with that. But below you can see I can upgrade to iCloud Plus. You can see how much it's gonna cost. So I can click on upgrade like that. And I can even probably choose some options. So I can get additional 50 gigabytes of storage for $1 per month, or 200, 2,000, 6,000, or 12 terabytes of the storage, which I can get additionally if I would want to. So that's how you can purchase and buy additional storage on your Mac computer. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it on your device as well. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you in the future uploads.